Hi, my name is John Graham and I'm the Curriculum Leader for Geography at North Gosforth Academy. I would just like to take you through some of the topics which we study in Year 7 Geography. They are what is geography, the Restless Earth, Ordnance Survey maps and graphs, Africa and weather and climate. The first topic that we study is what is geography, and we do this very much as an introduction to the subject. We realise that students have covered geography at primary school, but not perhaps as a standalone subject, and certainly different schools have covered different areas. We therefore start with this introduction, and that includes a number of things. We talk about the types of geography, such as physical, human and environmental. We look at basic facts about the world and also how to remember facts. We also look at basics such as continents, countries and capital cities. We also, during this topic, visit Newcastle in a trip in conjunction with the history department, where students get to visit certain landmarks and carry out certain studies. Second topic is always a popular one. It's the Restless Earth. We look at what the Earth is made up of. We look at the tectonic plates and how this leads to earthquakes and volcanoes. And we look specifically at earthquakes, at their causes, effects and how they can be managed, and do a similar thing with volcanoes. We also look at other features of tectonic activity such as tsunamis. Third topic, Ordnance Survey maps and graphs, is an important topic because people nowadays are very used to just using maps on phones and tablets. We go back to basics in terms of paper maps, and we practice and apply skills such as using symbols, grid references, direction and measuring distance. We also introduce a little bit of work with graphs, so there's a crossover with the maths department here, because later on in the school at GCSE level they become important in terms of fieldwork studies. The next topic we study is on Africa, a continent that a lot of students have certain stereotypical views on, and we aim to introduce some of the key elements to the continent. We look at the biomes of Africa, from desert to tropical rainforest. We look at where people live. We look at the weather and climate. We study life in the cities of Africa compared to life in the countryside, and we focus also on Kenya, in particular looking at the Maasai tribe who live there and how tourism affects the country in positive and negative ways. The final topic that we study is weather and climate. In this topic, we first of all distinguish between weather and climate because they mean two different things. We'll look at how weather is measured and how it's forecast. We look at types of cloud and rainfall. We also study bigger issues such as climate change, looking at what causes climate change, what some of the effects that we see around us are, and also how as individuals we can do something to slow climate change down. Finally, in this topic we study hurricanes and also extreme weather in the UK. In terms of assessing students' progress, that is carried out usually with end of topic assessments. And to do this, we use this grid of geographical skills, whereby we can identify strengths, areas of strength and weakness for students. We don't only use this for assessments, we also use it when we're marking books, and it enables us to build up a picture over time of where students are strong and where improvements can be made.